This is the definition. Critical points are places where either f prime of x is equal to 0 or f prime of x does not exist. I'm going to actually write out f prime. So what do these look like? Let's look at this picture. There are two places here where the derivative does not exist, and both of them are in pink. The reason the derivative does not exist at this point, the derivative is the slope of the tangent line. I think it has to make sense to draw the tangent line from either side. And at these 2 points, it doesn't. If I try to draw the tangent line from this side, it would look like that. Whereas if I tried to draw the tangent line from this side, it would look like that. There's no way to come up with an unambiguous, non-controversial notion of what the tangent line definition would be here. So f prime of x does not exist at this point. It is not correct to say that f prime is 0 at this point, because 0 is an actual number. And if you say that something is equal to 0, that means that it actually is equal to something. And then we have the same pattern here where we could not draw a single tangent line that would actually make sense. So we're looking at the slope of the tangent line being undefined. One way to have a critical point is to not be able to draw a tangent line at the point. And one way that that can look is for a sharp corner. Another instance that you could see is if you had something where the slope became completely vertical. If we have something where the slope of the tangent line actually becomes vertical, actually becomes straight up and down, x to the 1/5. So if you look at the derivative here at 0 and you try to draw this tangent line, you actually end up with a straight up and down line. If I could draw this well, the slope would actually be completely vertical. So the slope is actually infinite or negative infinite, however you want to think about it. But this is another instance where f prime of 0 is undefined. Now, this is a different thing because it's not the case here that we can't draw a tangent. We can draw a tangent line here, but the value is not a number. The value of the slope is not a number. So infinity is not a number. So in this particular graph, 0, 0 is a critical point.